Welcome to New Bike Hub 09. Today we are reviewing the all-new 2025 Mahindra Bolero B6. This SUV comes with refreshed styling, practical features, and the same strong and reliable performance that Bolero is known for. Let's explore it step by step. Front look. Starting from the front look, the Bolero B6 has a bold and muscular design. The chrome accented grille with the Mahindra logo in the center gives it a strong road presence. The headlights are large and practical, offering good visibility at night. The solid front bumper and integrated fog lamps enhance its rugged appearance. Overall, the front design looks tough, simple, and built for durability. Side profile. Moving to the side profile, the Bolero keeps its classic boxy shape. This design not only looks strong but also provides excellent interior space. The high ground clearance makes it suitable for rough roads. Alloy wheels and strong wheel arches add to its sturdy SUV look. Rear design. At the rear, the vertical tail lamps and strong bumper maintain the tough styling. The wide tailgate makes loading luggage easy. The rear design is practical and matches the Bolero's rugged identity. Interior and features. Inside the cabin, you get a simple and functional dashboard layout. The touchscreen infotainment system adds modern connectivity. The seats are comfortable, and there is good headroom and legroom for passengers. The interior focuses more on practicality and durability rather than luxury. Engine and performance. The Bolero B6 comes with a reliable diesel engine paired with a manual transmission. It delivers strong torque, making it perfect for heavy loads and rough roads. The suspension handles uneven surfaces comfortably, and fuel efficiency remains one of its key strengths. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero B6 is ideal for those who want a strong, reliable, and practical SUV for daily use and tough road conditions. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to New Bike Hub 09. Press the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. See you in the next one.